guys, Thatgirlkitaa here, back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, today's gonna be like a get ready with me. I've already done my brows. They look a mess. Yeah, my brows are what they say, my brows are cousins, not twin sisters. For my primer, y'all, I was using, my lips are dry, hold on, because I cannot, no. Shout out to Pixie Lips, Pixie Cosmetics. But what was I talking about? But I usually use baby skin primer by Maybelline, but lately it hasn't been giving, so I'm gonna use, I think this is Maybelline, yeah, Maybelline's Master Prime primer. I'm gonna mix two of Maybelline's True Fit foundations. Is this called True Fit? Oh, Fit Me, girl. But yeah, I'm gonna mix Classic Tan and Cappuccino. True Concealer. I'm not getting none of these names right today. I'm gonna use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I might add a little fawn. Let me see. Probably not. No, I'm just gonna do this one. So I actually let that set a little bit, and I'm going to use Espresso to contour. And it's not even a major contour anyways, but most of my contour comes from my powder. Thinking of some YouTube ideas, like some content for you guys the other day, and I hope you guys like what I come up with, cause child, I want to do YouTube full time, like no cap. And I know this shit is not easy, but like to do something I really love would be amazing. But yeah, I definitely want to do a Q&A video, so I'm probably gonna post something on my Instagram, and then you guys can comment some questions down below if you'd like. And hopefully my next video will be a Q&A video. So I actually want that a little brighter, so I'm gonna go in with medium beige. This is really how I like it. What is my hand doing? It's literally just like. Now I'm gonna set my face or my highlight with Airspun. For contour, I'm going to use my Morphe Glam bronzers. The first shade I'm using is Trailblazer, and then I'm going to use Leader. Alright, so that was that, and I'm going to go in with Leader. I don't take this one as far down. Go back with Airspun and clean this up, because you see, I don't know, it just looks a little messy, so I'm just gonna Just like that. Boom. And I'm gonna blend everything else out, press it into my skin, and then kind of dust it away. For blush, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me, and this blush is called Blush. I'm tripping. I'm starting to like blush. I remember I did not like it for real, but I'm becoming a blush whore. And I put a little on my nose. Oh my god, I didn't contour my nose. Girl, what is you doing? You gotta contour that thing. Yeah, I don't know. I like that like rosy look. And then blend that contour and blush, marry the two, make sure they're one big blended happy family. Make sure there's no harsh lines on your chin. Boom. Set your base and then add your highlight. Yeah, that's my face. I'm probably gonna do my lashes off camera just to save time. Oh, and my eyeliner. Damn. But yeah, let's move on to the hair. Alright, so this is some West Kiss hair. This is a 6x6 closure unit. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much about it because I've already talked about them on my channel. Don't come for my braids, okay? My mom braided my hair before I moved and she did such a good job. It's going on, oh my god, it's been a month since I had these braids in. I just don't like rebraiding my hair, and she did them so small. I can't beat this. I can't compete with this. So yeah. Plus, I don't know about y'all, but like old braids, they get really, really flat. And I like that. Anyway, so that's on Get My Got To Be Breeze Spray. Alright, I'm gonna spray a little more. Not gonna beat right there. I just like to get that glue for that hairspray. So I got my handy dandy hot comb. Try to get this as flat as possible. Boom. So recently I started taking my hot comb and getting in the back, you know, where they be cutting up back there in that nape area. Get them hairs in formation. Oh yes. Oh, I need a brush first. Oof. Just don't burn yourself. So I don't want too many curls. I kind of like it messy in a way. So while I'm waiting for my Numi wand to get hot, I'm gonna put some of this eyeshadow on my part. So I'm taking big sections because I'm rushing. And we don't have time to be sitting here all day curling some hair. So this is my Lumi wand, 1 inch bare room. Hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Oh my god, I hope my nipple is not out and showing on the camera. I didn't even wait 20 seconds, like. So, wow, who was he? No, I'm gonna use my liner to do my bang piece. I don't use like 3 different things, that's crazy. Do these swoop-a-doops. So I don't like for my baby hairs to be, oh, bitch, what the fuck? Like I was saying, I don't like for my baby hairs to be super stuck to my head. I don't even know if it was recording, but wow, I need a new camera. That's it. Because what was that? Anyways, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of oil in my hair. Literally, tiny bit. Most of it's going on my ends anyway. Too much now. I want my shit to be straight. Oh, what is you burning at? All right, you guys. Well, that was that. I hope you enjoyed this video. My camera was on some bullshit, but we got through it. Won't need to do it. Won't need to do it. Anyways, I'm gonna get dressed and pregame listening to some kind of bad bitch playlist, because that we are, period. It's for real, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, tell your friends about Thatgirlkitaa, and tell them that she's back. I say that a lot. I'm sorry, but she is back. Okay, see you guys later.